Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AbacusLaw for legal practice software, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin using AbacusLaw for your legal practice, start by downloading and installing the software from the official website. Once the installation is complete, open AbacusLaw to access the welcome screen. You will see prompt options to create a new account or log into an existing account. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account and fill in the necessary information. Be sure to provide your firm name, address, and contact details. After entering your information, confirm your email address through the verification link sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, explore the dashboard which organizes various features. Notice the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. To start managing cases, click on the Cases tab. Select New Case to initiate a case entry. Enter all essential details such as case title, client information, and relevant dates. Next, you can add notes, tasks, and deadlines related to the case. Utilize the Documents section to upload important files for easy access. AbacusLaw also allows you to create templates for frequently used documents. To generate reports, navigate to the Reports tab. Select the type of report you wish to generate, such as billing or case status reports. You can customize the report parameters to focus on specific data. Once your report is generated, you can download or print it directly from the software. For time tracking, go to the Time Tracking feature and start logging your hours. Add descriptions for each entry to maintain accurate records of your work. To manage billing, proceed to the Billing section. Create new invoices by selecting New Invoice and entering relevant details. Review all entries for accuracy before sending invoices to clients. If you have team members, utilize the User Management section to add or remove users. Customize permissions to control access levels for different team members. Using the Calendar feature, schedule important dates and set reminders. Synchronize your calendar with external apps if required for seamless integration. Lastly, make sure to regularly back up your data using the backup feature provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.